Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Khurshid Ahmed Bhatt, teacher from Zoondurgam, Tral. Today I shall try to correct the pronunciation of certain words that many of the students I have seen pronounce incorrectly. So the learning outcome for the class is the students read the given words correctly. The students read the given words correctly. It is mandatory for me to speak in English because it is an English class. But keeping in view the level of my students, I shall try to speak in Urdu and Kashmiri wherever necessary. Dear students, I have chosen certain words here that I have seen many of the students pronounce incorrectly. Let us today talk about them and know about their pronunciations. See, WOMAN, WOMEN, ISLAND, ENGLAND, HEART, HONEST, MOUSTACHE, BROCHURE, CHAMELEON, TOMATO, POTATO, ORANGE, MONKEY, KITCHEN, FATIGUE. See, these words, this WOMAN seems to be woman, but its pronunciation is woman. WOMEN seems to be woman, but it is women. ISLAND seems to be island, but generally we say this is island, but its pronunciation is island. This is England. This is not hurt, this is hot. This is not honest, but honest. This is not mustache, but mustache. This is not brochure, but brochure. This is not chameleon, but chameleon. Chameleon. This is not tomato, but tomato. This is not potato, but potato. This is not orange, but orange. This is not monkey, but monkey. This is not kitchen, but kitchen. This is not fatigue, but fatigue. So the question arises here: why this is not woman but woman, and this is not women but women, and this is island, England, heart, honest, mustache, brochure, chameleon, and so on. Why is it so? Because in English there is a rule, there is a concept in English, that is English language. There is a concept in English. There is a concept in English that English language is non-phonetic language. English language is non-phonetic language. What does this mean? This means that the spelling does not match with the pronunciation. The spelling does not match with the pronunciation, or there is no one-to-one correspondence between the letters and sounds. यहाँ पे सवाल पैदा होता है. There arises a question कि जहाँ पे बात हो रही है sounds और letters की. What is the difference between these things? Let us discuss that. Dear students, see, अब हम बात करेंगे letters and sounds की. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. The American pronunciation for Z is Z, but the Britain one is Z. See, these are symbols actually. These are symbols. These symbols A, B, C, D, and so on, these are called the letters. These are called the letters. And from A to Z, this whole, all the symbols, the group of signs or symbols, the group of signs that forms the constitution of a language is called the English alphabet. From A to Z, this is only one alphabet. And these symbols are letters. So, in nutshell, there are 26 letters and this is only one alphabet of English. This is alphabet. So, these letters, 26 letters, are meant for writing purposes. These are meant for writing purposes. अगर हमें कोई भी बुक लिखनी हो, कोई भी वर्ड बनाना होगा, जो भी हमें लिखना होगा, तो उस वक्त हम यूज करें. We use these letters to form the words. Beyond that we can't go because they are only 26. There are only 26 letters. These 26 letters or this alphabet is meant for writing. Now, these 26 letters or this alphabet is divided into two groups. the vowels and the consonants. The vowel letters and the consonant letters. In English, there are 5 vowel letters and 21 consonant letters. These are the vowel letters are A, E, I, O, and U. The rest B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, and so on. These are the consonant letters. Now, these 5 letters of the alphabet give 20 sounds, and 21 consonant letters give 24 consonant sounds. How is this possible? See, ये जो 5 लेटर्स हैं, वावल लेटर्स है AEIOU, ये 20 साउंड्स कैसे देते हैं? सी, ये डिफरेंट वर्ड्स में डिफरेंट साउंड्स देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैं एग्जांपल आपको दूंगा. यहाँ पे मैंने एग्जांपल जो बनाई, यहाँ पे ए लेटर जो है, एंड अगर हम वर्ड लेंगे, यहाँ पे मैंने इंग्लैंड लिखा और टमाटो, और कोई भी लिख सकता है, लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पे 3 ही अभी ली है कि ये जो दिस ए लेटर, दिस इन केस ऑफ एंड, here it gives the sound of a. In England it gives a, and in tomato it gives e. Similarly, e letter in women it gives e, the sound of e. In kitchen it gives the sound of e. In chameleon it gives the sound of e. And the letter I gives the sound of e in kitchen, gives the sound of e in fatigue, gives o, gives the sound of o in woman, sound of e in women, sound of a in tomato, and the sound of a in money. Similarly, U, the letter U, the vowel letter U gives the sound of a in ugly, O, the sound of U in June, the sound of a in turbo. In English, there are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. In total, there are 44 sounds in English. These are meant for, these sounds, 44 sounds in English, these are meant for speaking purposes. So, in case of pronunciation, we need these 44 sounds. We need these sounds, 44 sounds. So, for writing purposes, we need the letters, and for speaking purposes, for the pronunciation, we need the sounds. In the next video, we shall be discussing about vowel and consonant sounds, inshallah. For that, subscribe my YouTube channel.
Khurshid sir speaks.